Hello viewers and welcome to Electronics Lab. Today we have with us Wilson Pardi Junior, the Embedded Systems Software and Semiconductor Lithography Engineer at NuFlare Technology Inc. Today we will discuss with Wilson about embedded systems, its ethical implications, software design and testing, and more. Software design and testing within the embedded industry. How's the market growing? What kind of challenges and opportunities does that have?
I think we can divide the answer in two parts for small embedded systems and for large embedded systems. For instance, for small embedded systems, be sure the software can fits in a small board. But for large embedded systems, you have a little bit more room to adapt the software that you design.
Do you think the industry faces any challenge of security or say data that needs to be addressed?
To be able the user gets a faster reply from the embedded system. Some products, some applications, they need to access the user data. So that's why nowadays, of course, security is where people are much more concerned.
What is multi-beam mask and how is that useful in the entire semiconductor or embedded systems process?
I think most of our audience, they know what is a silicon wafer, right? Okay, a silicon wafer, basically, you write the semiconductor companies like Intel, TSMC data in a silicon wafer, then the silicon wafer is processed, and then in the end of the semiconductor chain, you have the small chip that is used in a lot of digital products. Our machine, instead of writing the semiconductor data in a silicon wafer, we write in a glass substrate. And then after this silicon glass is written, the semiconductor company like Intel, TSMC, they got our mask and put in a ACML machine to write in the silicon wafer.
How do you see the future of multi-beam mask?
This is changing a lot because of the multi-beam electrical machines. The customer data has increasing a lot. We still have to keep writing this customer data very fast without losing the precision. So that's why we started designing multi-beam electrical mask writers.
How do you see automation, AI, the impact of these evolving technologies in the software design and testing in the embedded system segment?
I think there are good points, and there are some good points, but also there are some drawbacks if we start using AI. One is, of course, you can help you automate the process, can make you speed up the process. And the drawback, because with AI, since it's still a very new technology, we have a lot of concern about data security.
But that's a big question because the world is moving towards automation and the use of AI is constantly increasing.
I still prefer the human being to be in charge of any kind of safety. I think you can use AI, but just like to help you to manage your job.
How do you grapple with the ethical dilemmas inherent in delegating decision-making capabilities to software running on embedded hardware?
Okay, I think that the most important is really the software. The hardware is our body, but the software is our mind. You have to give more importance to the software testing than to the software design.
So how do you advocate for a holistic approach to system design that considers not only functionality but also robustness and fault tolerance?
The most important thing that a lot of people forget, legacy and the maintenance. We have to be very careful. We have to consider a lot of maintenance about legacy, reusability, to use this product for a long period of time. Most of the companies in the world, they are not so concerned. It's about reusability of old products. My piece of advice is like that. Don't design new products just with the purpose to sell more to people. Design products that can last longer.